everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are making something super simple but seriously tasty, homemade crepes. They are delicious, soft and perfect for loading up with your favorite fillings. For this recipe we're gonna need warm milk, warm water, sugar, baking soda, salt, eggs, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, cooking oil. All the ingredients can be blended in a blender, but in this video I'm gonna do everything manually. Let's get started. And there you have it, light golden crepes made right at home. You can go sweet with chocolate paste and berries, or savory with cheese and meat. It's totally up to you. It's so light, it's golden, and it smells nice. Let's try it. I will not use any fillings. I'm gonna try it like this. It's so good. Very nice. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment here telling me your favorite crepe filling. Thanks for watching Burnt and Delicious, and see you in the next one.